Hare Krishna. Welcome to Nakshatra Now. Today is 5th April 2026, Sunday. The moon is in Libra, and we are guided by the transformative energy of the Vishakha star. Today's numerology is 8, representing inner strength and personal power. Please note that Rahu Kal is from 4:30 p.m. to 6 p.m., so please avoid starting anything new during that time. Use this day to cultivate balance and seek harmony within yourself. Now let's look at your horoscope for today. Aries, also known as Mesh, today the moon moves into your 7th house, shifting your focus toward the delicate art of diplomacy and partnership. While your natural drive is powerful, you will find it tested by the deeply analytical energy of the Vishakha star. In your personal and professional life, stay mindful. It is easy to let frustration slip into your tone, so try to avoid unnecessary arguments with your partner or business associates. Patience is your best ally right now. If you are dealing with legal matters, please slow down, steer clear of making hasty decisions and ensure you avoid the period of Rahu Kal when signing any important contracts. In your career, joint ventures show promising signs of progress. However, because number 8 exerts a heavy influence today, handle your finances with extreme caution. Take the time to thoroughly review all investments. For your health, prioritize hydration and find moments for mental peace, and do your body a favor by cutting out processed sugars. If you have studies to tackle, you will find that collaborative sessions are far more productive than working solo. To help align your energy, wear crimson to boost your vitality and keep your focus on your lucky number, 9. To balance your lunar energy, please offer white flowers at a temple today. Finally, center yourself with this mantra, Om Haram Harim Rum Sah Surya Nama. Taurus, also known as Rishabh, today brings a beautiful shift as the transit in Vishakha invites you to fine-tune your daily rhythm. Efficiency is your greatest superpower right now, so lean into it. In your professional life, precision is key. If you have been letting tasks pile up, focus on clearing them today. Doing so will create the solid financial stability you've been striving for. Keep your eyes sharp, Taurus. While others might skim the surface, your strength lies in noticing the small, crucial details that everyone else overlooks. This awareness will be your biggest asset at work. However, please remember to listen to your body. Stress may try to manifest as digestive discomfort. Do not ignore those signals. If you are feeling tension in your lower back, some light, gentle stretching will work wonders to release that pressure. For those of you focused on your studies, today is the perfect time to dive deep into subjects that demand logic and analytical thinking. Your brain is wired for clarity right now, so make the most of it. To ground your energy and welcome prosperity, surround yourself with the soothing, elegant shade of cream. It is your lucky color today. Keep the number 6 close to your heart, and remember, you are in control. To align your spirit, invoke the energy of Venus, Om Shum Shukraya Nama. I offer salutations to Venus, the planet of beauty and luxury. Gemini, also known as Mithun, today brings a beautiful surge of energy to your world. With the moon lighting up your 5th house of creativity, your imagination is truly peaking. It is a fantastic time to dive into those hobbies you have been putting off or simply let your artistic side run free. In your career, your voice is being heard loud and clear. Your innovative ideas are finally gaining traction with your superiors, and this could pave the way for exciting new opportunities. If you are a student, today is especially golden for creative writing or mastering a complex new concept that has felt out of reach. However, stay mindful of your interactions. While your intellect is sharp, Be cautious with how you phrase feedback to peers or family members. A soft touch goes a long way. Also, a word of caution: steer clear of speculative investments today. The influence of the number 8 can be quite unpredictable, so it is better to play it safe with your finances. Your vitality is high, which feels wonderful, but remember to prioritize your rest this evening to maintain that balance. To keep your energy flowing smoothly, wear emerald green to attract luck and embrace the number 5 in your plans. To clear any lingering communication blocks, chant Om Bam Budhaya Nama, salutations to Mercury, the Lord of Wisdom and Communication. Cancer, also known as Kark, today is all about grounding yourself. With the moon moving through your 4th house, your focus shifts naturally to your home and family. It is a beautiful time to deepen your emotional connections with loved ones. If you are handling real estate matters or working on projects from the comfort of home, you will find that these endeavors show very promising potential. As you navigate domestic discussions, stay mindful. It is easy for old feelings to surface, but do not let past grievances cloud your judgment or hinder progress today. Turn to your elders, listen closely to their wisdom, as their advice will be incredibly valuable right now. If you are a student, you will find that diving into history or traditional studies is especially productive today. To keep your mind clear and focused, take a moment to declutter your living space. A tidy environment will significantly reduce any lingering mental anxiety. Your energy is best supported by the color silver and the number 2. To help stabilize your emotions and invite tranquility into your sanctuary, place a small silver ball filled with fresh water in your room. Finally, align your spirit with the calming influence of the moon by reciting this mantra: Om Som Somya Nama, I bow to the moon, the ruler of emotions and peace. Leo, also known as Singh, today is a day where your natural charisma is truly amplified. As the moon glides through your 3rd house, your influence reaches new heights, making this the perfect moment to step out and expand your network. Connections made today will prove incredibly beneficial for your future endeavors. In your career, focus on tasks involving communication and sales, as these areas are poised for significant growth. If you are a student, this is an excellent window for mastering a new language or honing your public speaking skills. However, please be mindful of your speech. Your words carry extra weight today, and they can leave a lasting impression, for better or worse. A word of caution: steer clear of office politics or idle gossip. Engaging in these will only backfire, especially during Rahu Kal. Keep your focus on your own path. On the health front, listen to your body and avoid physical overexertion. Remember to keep your throat well hydrated to keep your energy flowing smoothly. Lean into your lucky color, gold, and keep the number 1 close to your heart to attract success. To align yourself with your ruling planet, offer water to the sun at sunrise to boost your solar vitality. Finally, center your spirit with this powerful mantra: Om Haram Harim Rum Sa Surya Nama, I bow to the sun, the king of the celestial bodies. Virgo, also known as Kanya, today is all about grounding yourself and focusing on your material world. You're feeling exceptionally pragmatic and goal-oriented right now, and that's a beautiful energy to channel. Your sharp mind is currently perfectly tuned to financial planning, so if your budget has been feeling a bit disorganized, now is the ideal time to restructure and get things back on track. Because your analytical skills are firing on all cylinders, you'll find that subjects like mathematics or financial management come to you with ease today. However, keep a watchful eye on your habits. While your brain is busy planning, your impulses might try to sneak in. Avoid that late-night online shopping urge and take a moment to double-check your recent bank statements. Be mindful in your conversations. 2. There is a slight risk of minor misunderstandings regarding money with close friends, so lead with clarity and kindness to keep those bonds strong. For your physical well-being, prioritize your diet and try to cut back on excessive caffeine to avoid unnecessary jitters. Your lucky color for the day is a deep, stabilizing dark blue, and your lucky number is 4. To anchor your financial stability, consider donating green lentils to a local charity. Finally, center yourself with your mantra, Om Bam Buddhaya Namah. Libra, also known as Tula, today the moon graces your sign, amplifying your natural charm and grace. You are radiating a magnetic energy that makes you incredibly persuasive, which is perfect if you have important negotiations or professional presentations on your calendar. People are drawn to your presence, so lean into that confidence. However, the current energy of the stars asks you to be more decisive. While you love to keep the peace, you must find a healthy balance between pleasing others and honoring your own personal boundaries. A gentle word of caution, do not overpromise today. It is tempting to say yes to everyone, but avoid committing to favors you simply cannot fulfill. Protect your time as fiercely as you protect your relationships. In your studies, your creative spirit is blooming. If you are involved in design, art, or any aesthetic pursuit, you will find your flow with ease. Meanwhile, your health depends on consistency. Pay extra attention to your sleeping patterns to ensure you remain fully recharged. For good fortune, keep the number 7 close to your heart and surround yourself with the calming essence of white. To elevate your frequency and invite harmony, use the scent of sandalwood. Finally, center yourself with this sacred vibration. Om Shum Shukraya Namah. May your day be filled with joy and grace. Scorpio, also known as Vrishchik, today calls for a gentle inward journey. You might feel a natural urge to detach from the noise of your surroundings, and that is perfectly okay. Embrace this need for introspection and spiritual cleansing. It is exactly what your soul needs right now. Pay close attention to your dreams tonight, as they likely hold the missing pieces to the dilemmas currently playing on your mind. In your professional life, resist the pressure to be the loudest voice in the room. You will find that working behind the scenes, focusing on deep research and quiet, strategic planning, brings far better results than direct action. While your mind is sharp, be mindful of your finances. Avoid splurging on luxuries during this specific lunar phase to keep your energy balanced. If you find yourself feeling intense, ground that powerful energy with deep breathing or meditation. This is a wonderful day to dive into studies of psychology or the occult, as your intuition is at its peak. Your lucky color today is a deep, resonant maroon, and your lucky number is 8. To clear any lingering planetary tension and invite harmony into your space, I suggest donating clothes or blankets to someone in need. Finally, center your spirit with this mantra, Om Kram Krim Krum Sa Bhaumaya Namah. Sagittarius, also known as Dano, today is all about the beautiful power of your community. Your social circle is a true source of joy, and as you connect with like-minded individuals, you will find that your future goals finally start to crystallize with newfound clarity. Whether you are engaging in group discussions for your studies or collaborating with peers on a project, these interactions are exactly what you need to break through mental blocks. However, keep your guard up when it comes to your professional path. While networking is excellent and may even lead to a lucrative breakthrough, you must be very selective about whose advice you follow. Do not let the pressure to fit in or social expectations sway you from the long-term vision you have so carefully built. Stay true to your own North Star. Physically, your energy is high, so keep moving, but do remember to listen to your joints. Maintain good posture to avoid any unnecessary strain while you navigate your busy day. Keep your focus sharp, embrace the energy of the color yellow, and lean into your lucky number, 3, to guide your decisions. To invite even more wisdom and growth into your life, offer yellow flowers at a temple. Finally, ground your intentions with this powerful mantra, Om Gram Greem Gram Sa Gurave Namah. Capricorn, also known as Makar, today is all about your ambition. You feel an incredible surge of drive, focused entirely on your career progression and climbing that ladder of success. You are eager to prove your worth, and I want you to know that your hard work is finally being noticed by those who matter. Stay consistent, stay disciplined, and keep your eyes on the prize. However, I have a little piece of advice: be gentle with yourself. If things don't move as instantly as your high standards demand, don't be overly harsh. Progress is a process. Be especially careful during the afternoon hours. Steer clear of any conflicts with authority figures. It is better to remain composed than to win a temporary argument. Since you are likely spending long hours at your desk, please mind your posture. Your physical well-being is the foundation of your productivity. If you have been struggling with complex studies, try breaking them down into structured blocks. You will find that even the hardest subjects start to make sense. Your lucky color today is black, representing your depth and authority, and your lucky number is 8. To align your energy, light a sesame oil lamp this evening. Finally, center yourself with this mantra, Om Pram Preem Pram Sa Kshanashcharai Namah. Salutations to Saturn, the Lord of Discipline and Time. You have got this. Aquarius, also known as Kumbh, today is a beautiful day for philosophical growth and venturing beyond your usual horizons. You are feeling an internal pull to expand your perspective, so don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone. To truly grow, remain open to learning from those whose views differ from your own. Their unique insights might just be the missing piece to your current puzzle. In your professional life, keep your eyes open. Exciting opportunities to expand your reach, perhaps even internationally, are starting to surface. Whether it is through study in fields like law, philosophy, or the higher sciences, your intellect is your greatest asset today. To keep that sharp mind from feeling stagnant, engage yourself in deep, meaningful conversations or complex reading. Now, a small word of caution: if you are heading out, please avoid the urge to rush. Double-check your travel documents and your itinerary to ensure everything is in order before you leave. Your lucky color for today is electric blue, a shade that resonates with your visionary spirit, and the number 8 will be particularly auspicious for you. To anchor this positive energy, consider donating food to a local charity to manifest good karma. Finally, align yourself with the steady energy of your ruling planet by reciting Om Pram Preem Pram Sa Kshanashcharai Namah. This is also known as Meen. Your celestial energy today is deeply influenced by the moon, inviting a beautiful period of emotional transformation. You are being called to look closely at shared resources and the way your energy intertwines with others. When it comes to financial matters or taxes, don't rely solely on spreadsheets. Trust your intuition. If something feels off, listen to that inner voice. However, a word of caution: avoid lending money to friends today. Even with the best intentions, it could lead to unnecessary complications that strain your relationships. On the bright side, stay focused on your existing assets, as you might be surprised by an unexpected financial windfall heading your way. If you are currently studying, this is your time to shine. Complex research or deep analytical tasks will feel incredibly rewarding and clear today. To keep yourself centered amidst these shifts, focus on emotional grounding. A simple walk barefoot on the grass will work wonders to stabilize your energy. Your lucky color today is sea green, and your lucky number is 7. To gain the inner clarity you need, I recommend the remedy of chanting the mantra of the Guru. Allow yourself to settle into a quiet space and repeat, Om Gram Greem Gram Sa Gurave Nama. I offer salutations to Jupiter, the planet of spiritual truth. Thank you so much for joining us on Nakshatra Now for today's horoscope. We truly hope these insights help you navigate your day with clarity and peace. If you found this guidance helpful, please like this video, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe to our channel for your daily astrological updates. We look forward to seeing you back here tomorrow for more cosmic wisdom. Hare Krishna.